Hello YouTube, it's Garamore with more sound. This is a update to my Arduino thermostat. You notice there's two fans. Not sure if you're going to be able to see, but there are two fans. And pretend like this pair of LEDs is a heater. Because I could not find a 12-volt heater in my studio. That was weird. It just restarted itself. Having technical difficulties. These two buttons change the set temperature. Let me show you here. And there's an addition of a new button on pin 4 that changes between summer and winter modes. There's winter mode and the fake heater has came on. And over here we have instead of saying fan on like the previous version, actually has a little wind symbol and a flame symbol. This is summer mode. Try and trigger this here. Once the temperature goes back up, there's the little snowflake. This, and then the second fan has came on, as well as the primary fan. Again, because I could not find a 12-volt cooler in my studio. There are 3 Darlington transistor arrays instead of one. This here is for the heater, which is connected to pin 11. This here is for the cooling fan, which is on pin 12. And here is the original main fan switch. All of these are Darlington transistor arrays. I'll show you it working. I'm going to heat up the thermometer sensor here. Let me lower the set point. Get a little easier. And it's not going to come on until it's above. And that was weird. When it goes above, if it is, unless it is at least 1 degree above the set point, then the fans stay on until the temperature drops to 1 degree below the set point. This is to combat the constant switches. Keep it from constantly switching on and off. Winter mode. Put it back on winter. We're gonna lower the set point. I need to raise the set. And we're gonna heat up the thermometer sensor. Yep, it's gonna turn on. I'm going to heat up the thermometer sensor. It should be turned off. It definitely doesn't want to turn off. Got some new code. Here, if you want to see that. It's not much different other than the addition of winter mode and changing some temperature differentials. And I'm at almost 8 minutes into the recording. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support me by buying from my eBay or Mercari stores. Goodbye.